Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, today, through the post, arrived a new Lima body for the original chassis. So in the previous video, I was telling you that this Lima chassis actually came on eBay a long time ago with a Hornby body on it, and it wouldn't sit on it properly. Now, the kind of issues that gave me were the Hornby body would be coming down a bit too far, and as the link rods were going around, it was kind of colliding with the body. Also, this is the weight that is inside these Lima locomotives, and it sits into the chassis, and because it wasn't the correct body on it, this weight has a tendency to wobble because it's kind of top heavy. You see these little lugs underneath sit into the chassis, and if it's not secured in place, it kind of wobbles a little bit as the locomotive is moving along. Now, I made a bit of a mistake in the previous video. So Hornby body shell that came with that Lima is 08673 Piccadilly, and I already have 08673, you can see it there, in the newer Hornby variant. So I said that I had a Lima BR blue livery 08 body coming in 08, I think it was 020 I said in the previous video, and when it arrived today I realized I actually had ordered a class 09 with a totally different running number, so I don't know what I was thinking. 09026. So there really isn't much difference between the class 08 and the class 09. The only difference is the class 09s were higher geared to run faster. So they had the same body, same equipment, same engine, just improved gearing, and they could run at about 27.5 miles an hour, as opposed to the class 08s. They kind of ran maximum 15 miles per hour, possibly 20, but yeah, these could move a lot faster. I'm quite happy with the new body. Came with its own securing screw, so if I just show you there, underneath there, you can see, just point it out for you. This screw here is the securing screw, and it goes into a kind of a tower that's part of the body. It's quite delicate, you have to be careful. Sometimes that little tower, it's secured to the roof, comes down, and the screw goes through the chassis into that tower and secures it all in place. And yeah, I'd totally forgotten that I had ordered a class 09 body, but I'm delighted because it's a different class, different running number, different livery, and this Hornby body now, I'll just go into the spares bin. But what I'll probably do, because I don't have the correct chassis for this is totally different compared to the newer designed Hornby highly detailed class 08, I may just give it to a model shop as a spares. There's not really much use to it now. So there we go. Show you a bit of running of this class 08 now. It's in such great nick. All the buffers are there, all the steps are there. I've got front coupling on it because that's with part of the original chassis. Buffers at the back are all there. Quite nice. I really like it. Of course, this locomotive has the CD motor in it. Seems to be nice rails and all this picked out. I think it's just painted, but yeah, 09026. So in the next clip, do a little bit of running, see what she's like. Might do a little service on the wheels and the axles, get it running really smooth. Okay, we'll see you in a second. don't know if she's doing her scale 27.5 miles an hour, but she's really nice and smooth. I haven't cleaned the wheels or the pickups yet, so let's see how she gets on. The spare body came in a locomotive box, which is handy, very handy. I'll show you that now in a second. As she's doing her thing there, here's the spare box that came in with this really vintage picture on the back. And let's see there. Now I can't tell the product code of it. It's 510 something, and then at the end MW. And on the back here, got a selection of trains. Obviously Italian. E656 at the top there with a passenger train. That looks like the Japanese bullet train. Some German electric. I do forget the class of that. And that looks like possibly, is that a king or a castle? Maybe you guys can tell me. It might be a castle. Yeah, so there you go. Spare box, very handy. I keep on referring to her as a class of 8. She is a class of 9. Well, it's another locomotive sorted out. I've sorted out the class 20, and now this Lima 08, now an 09. And yeah. Hopefully you'll be getting back into the swing of the scenery again. A few things have been happening at home, so I need me full concentration for the scenery. Just switch the points here, so I'm going to bring her all the way in. Come back here a little bit into the sidings. That went well, which was great. Could have a derailment here. Let's see how we get on. Slow down. Bit of a continuity issue there, but and of course she'll automatically stop at the end because there's an isolated section at the end over the bridge. There we go, and that's it. So that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Always handy to get spare parts in, keep locomotives going. Until then, if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe, send in comments if you have any to give, positive and negative, and hit that little bell icon for the next upload. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.